All right, guys, welcome to the Credit Game. Happy Friday. Today we have an amazing deal on our Black Friday special, but what I want to share with you guys, if it's your first time on the channel, please subscribe to the channel. I'm the only one doing it every single day for you guys to learn to be able to understand credit like it's your child's name. Okay, so today what I want to share with you, besides that, if I can get a thanks, if I can get a thumbs up, if I can get you to subscribe and then also turn on your bell notifications so when the videos are coming in, you're watching them, right? The more you watch, the better you're going to get. And obviously, the more you watch and get notified that my videos are coming in, the more you're going to educate yourself and ultimately have a higher credit score. And that's the whole purpose of our channel, is so that you get a high credit score, right? That's the name of the game. That's the name of the credit game, is to have a high credit score. So there are two ways, okay? Today I'm going to share with you two ways, very simple ways to have negatives removed from your credit report in under 60 days. Option number one, which you have the legal right to do, is challenge the information that you feel is negative, obsolete, unfair, erroneous, or incorrect on your credit report, okay? So the first thing you need to know, okay, and I'm not a big proponent of Credit Karma, you guys know that, but if you don't have a Credit Karma, sign up for a Credit Karma just to be able to see what's going on TransUnion Equifax, okay? Now, there are two ways you can do this and remove negatives in under 60 days. One is effective, one is extremely effective, okay? So the choice is yours, but I want to make sure that I'm very clear. You have the legal right to challenge anything on your credit report. The credit bureaus have to prove that this is they're going to delete it, or they're going to come back and they're going to say, hey, guess what? It is verified. It is yours, okay? Now, here's the deal. One way you could do it is when you sign up for Credit Karma, okay? You're going to click on either TransUnion or Equifax, all right? The two at the top. Click on which one you want to work on first, all right? Once you click on the actual credit bureau, then you're going to go to total accounts. Step number two, go to total accounts. Once you go to total accounts, then I want you to go down. I want you to click on the actual name of the account that is showing negative, okay? So if it's a bank, if it's a medical collection, if it's a charge-off, if it's a loan, if it's a car payment, whatever the case is, you're going to click on the negative account. Once you do that, you're going to scroll all the way down, okay, to the bottom, and you're going to see dispute in error. Okay, now when you click on that button, it's going to bring up two columns. One's going to say ownership. The other is going to say accuracy. Okay, let me explain both. Accuracy just basically means that you feel that it was what you're looking at is inaccurate. Maybe it's a digit off on your phone number. Maybe it's reporting wrong. Maybe it's the credit limit. Maybe the open date is wrong. Maybe the close date was wrong. Whatever you feel is inaccurate, basically, is you're disputing the accuracy of the account. Okay. Now, the chances of them removing it when you do that are unlikely because they're just going to update the information with the correct information. The other side, if it's a negative account, you're like, look, I don't believe this is mine. I'm looking at it. I've never seen this before. It looks to be like it's incorrect. It's not my account. Somebody else in my house. Maybe I was a victim of identity theft. Maybe, I don't even know. I've never seen ABC medical collection. I have no idea who this arbitrary account is on my credit, right? So the ownership side, you have a very likely chance of getting things removed. Now, the reason I say 60 days is this. I have seen people that use the Credit Karma formula, okay? It only lets you dispute a few things though, okay? So that's why I said this process can take a lot longer because you can only dispute a minimum amount of things, okay? But you could see results in 60 days. Part number two, happy Black Friday, because today you are getting 50% off any of my packages. So normally, total price, and then now Black Friday and Black Friday only, I am doing a special for you guys to get 3 services in one, okay? If you've been following me for any length of time, you know that today, if you're like, you know what, today's the day because I want to change my credit, I want to change my life, then you want to take advantage of today because you'll never see prices this low again. Number one, you're going to get the entire education piece, okay? Let me explain what that means. I can get you to a very high credit score by giving you techniques and tricks, Tradelines, elite credit repair. However, if you don't know what you're doing once you get there, which most people don't, Okay. I didn't know what I was doing. Remember, I created this for me, not you. I had no idea. I had to learn what to do. Once I got to a high credit score, okay, today I have 96 payments in a row, 96 months in a row. So it's 8 years of on-time payments, okay? I was a 505 credit score. Today I'm at 827, and it's only going to go up, okay? You got to be 45 years old, literally from the time you're 18 to the time you're 45 years old to be able to have a perfect 850 credit score, okay? So I'm not 45 yet, just so you guys want to know. So listen, you can go half off today only and get elite credit repair done by a professional vendor, a vendor that I've been using for multiple years to get guaranteed results in under 60 days, okay? Guaranteed results. Guess what else he guarantees? That 70%, a minimum of 70% of the negative, obsolete, unfair, incorrect, unduly, or erroneous information be removed from your credit report that's not supposed to be there. But my clients have seen 85 to 90% removal, okay? But he guarantees at least 70. You're gonna get access to Tradelines at 50, and a lot of them are 75% off competitor prices. And when I say education, believe me when I tell you, while you're getting your elite credit repair, which is included today, on top of being half off, you guys are gonna be watching the videos inside the program, whether that's associates, bachelor's, master's, PhD, you guys will be watching the videos. So while the work is being done, you're watching little small 3-4 minute videos and educating yourself so you never have to pay a credit repair company again. A lot of these companies will string you out for 18 to 24 months with a monthly charge of 150, 200 bucks garbage. You're $2,000 to $3,000 down and you got minimum stuff removed. So think about results in 60 days, okay? 50% off today. And when you guys watch this video, I am down to the last 5 spots, okay? Phones have been off the hook today. We have over 500 plus calls that are coming in today. So please, if you call in, you're like, look, I'm calling about the Black Friday special. I want to change my life. I'm ready to change my life. Please be serious, because my team already knows. You got about a minute and a half to say I'm serious or not serious, or they got another call coming in. So I want to help you, but you got to call in when you're serious, okay? If it was any other day, we'll spend 15 minutes with you, but it's at full price, okay? Today, because of the amount of calls that come in, we're trying to help as many people as we can, and we're already over 350 calls. I want you to know that no matter what, I'm here to help you. But the most important thing is this. If you're ready to change your life and you want the work done for you to get the discount trade lines and have the entire education piece, which is the same thing I did, guys, nothing different than what Mike did, that I'm teaching you every day. Learning how to do what I did is exactly what's in here. What trade lines to pick, which trade lines to put on your credit report, because it's the same ones I did for myself, okay? What do I do when I get here? How do I, get this credit card? How do I get high limit credit cards? What do I do for credit unions? How do I open up bank accounts? How do I do business credit? I give it to you all inside the platform. And while that's happening and you're watching those videos, you guys are going to be getting your elite credit repair done. I covered the cost of that for you, minus a $99 consultation fee, okay? So again, half off. If you want us doing the professionals taking the work for you, just understand, call in when you're serious. Number 2 is do the steps I just told you inside Credit Karma. Good luck with it. It does take a little bit longer. It is a process of probably about 7 to 8 months, okay? But it can be done, okay? If time is more important than money, then you'd be calling me. If money's more important than time, take the 8 months to a year and just slowly go through the process and get it done with what I just showed you. If you have to watch this video multiple times, if you're serious about changing your life, get it for half off today. Today's the time to do it, and you get 3 services in one. 904-420-7772. I'm gonna be out there on the floor all day long when you watch this video. Say, hey, Mike said to say what's up. Let me get on the phone with you and say what's up on top of it, okay? That being said, call me at 904-420-7772 and get the 50% off so you can change your life. Mike from The Credit Game.